Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I got a few carbon fiber goodies that I'm going to be installing on the M3. So what we're actually going to do is install a new carbon fiber engine cover. I think that's enough talking. Let's take a look at the parts and jump right into the install. Here are the Karbonius, and here is the other engine cover. This one is also pretty nice since it doesn't have those rib details that the OEM engine cover has, but it didn't really, the carbon fiber weave didn't really match my CSL intake, so that was one of the reasons why I didn't want to install that. When it comes to stuff like that, it does annoy me if I'm looking at the engine bay and the carbon fiber doesn't match and it's right next to each other. And if you look at the quality, this one, it's not bad. It's decent. But the Karbonius is on another level and it looks so good. Alright, so now we're looking at disassembling a few pieces on the car to be able to get access to all the screws or bolts on the engine cover that's on the car. So on mine, what we have to do is take apart the strut bar, which has 4 screws on it. If you have the OEM strut bar, it'll be the black piece that goes across with also, I believe, 4 screws on it. The next thing we're gonna have to do is take this off, and then we'll have access to all, I believe 6 or 8 screws. Another thing that you have to take off is the oil cap, and then I have the oil catch can filter lines that we just have to disconnect so we can take this off. And that's pretty much it. It's very simple. If this is one of your first mods, this is a very easy mod to do and kind of test your skills. So let's get to it. So we have the engine cover on and it looks really nice in the engine bay. I think it really changed the engine bay and it really makes this engine bay pop and look a lot cleaner. It looks a lot more cohesive look. So I'm really digging this new engine cover and in love with the way this engine bay looks now. You guys, I have one question. So Karbonius sells one of those filter covers in carbon fiber. I was thinking of doing it in just black to kind of match the top being all black and then carbon fiber being in the engine bay. But what do you guys think? Should I pull a trigger and get that in carbon fiber, or would that be too much? I think it might be too much, but let me know what you guys think. And that's it for today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.